Astronomers have just spotted something strange moving through our solar system, but this isn't your average comet or asteroid. This object is fast, mysterious, and most importantly, not from here. Known as 3I/ATLAS, it's now being considered only the third interstellar visitor ever discovered by humanity. First detected between June 25th and June 29th by the ATLAS system, a telescope network designed to catch potential Earth-impacting objects. This discovery has taken the scientific community by surprise. NASA's own Center for Near-Earth Object Studies has confirmed this isn't a glitch and it isn't from our solar system. This is real and it's coming our way. But where did it come from? Why now? And could this visitor from deep space be carrying answers to questions we haven't even asked yet, or something else? The object was first noticed by a system built to warn us about dangerous space rocks, ATLAS, the Asteroid to Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. Using powerful telescopes in Hawaii and South Africa, ATLAS scans the sky every night. But this time, it found something that doesn't fit the usual pattern. After its discovery, NASA's experts closely examined the data. They found that this wasn't an ordinary asteroid or comet. It was moving too fast on a path that doesn't circle the sun like normal solar system bodies. Instead, its orbit was hyperbolic, suggesting it's just passing through, like a stranger stepping into our cosmic house and leaving without saying a word. What's even more intriguing is how confident the scientists are. They've ruled out technical errors. This thing is real, and it's unlike anything we've seen in years. After the initial detection, it didn't take long for top observatories across the world to take notice. On July 1st and 2nd, follow-up observations confirmed what experts feared. This object wasn't behaving like anything local. Then came a breakthrough. An amateur astronomer named Sam Dean searched older sky data and found earlier images of the same object taken in late June by the ATLAS telescope. This allowed scientists to track its path more precisely. The more data they gathered, the clearer it became. This object was indeed from beyond our solar system. It was moving fast, too fast to be trapped by the sun's gravity. And it wasn't just moving weirdly, it was glowing. Bright, unusually bright, so bright that it didn't match the profile of any asteroid or comet we've seen before. Could this be something natural, or something else entirely? As scientists continued to gather data, the questions only grew. One of the world's most controversial astronomers, Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard, stepped in with a bold suggestion. He urged researchers to point the James Webb Space Telescope toward this object to study it in more detail. Why? Because 3I/ATLAS, like ʻOumuamua before it, shows signs of non-gravitational acceleration, meaning it may be moving in ways gravity alone can't explain. That opens a very different kind of door. Could it be driven by something else, perhaps even artificial propulsion? Loeb had once proposed that ʻOumuamua might be an alien probe. Now, with another unusual object crossing into our solar system, he believes we may have another chance to look deeper. Is this cosmic visitor just a rock? Or a signal? As the days passed, more data poured in. The Minor Planet Center received over 100 confirmed observations from telescopes worldwide. Scientists raced to calculate its orbit, and the results left little doubt. This object came from beyond our solar system. Its speed, a staggering 152,000 miles per hour, and its direction, roughly from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. While we don't know exactly which star system it came from, its path suggests it has traveled for a very long time. What's even more compelling is its upcoming trajectory. It will pass near Mars in October 2025, then approach the Sun later that month. Earth, however, will be on the opposite side of the Sun, safe from any interaction. But as it exits, it will once again disappear into the void, continuing a journey that began in another world, maybe even another time. This isn't the first time a mysterious interstellar object has paid us a visit. Back in 2017, the world witnessed the arrival of ʻOumuamua, an elongated, cigar-shaped object that baffled astronomers. It behaved unlike anything we had seen before, speeding up as it exited the solar system, but without the usual signs of a comet, like a visible tail. Its acceleration couldn't be explained by gravity alone. Then, in 2019, Borisov arrived. This time, it looked like a more familiar comet, but it too came from deep space. Now, with the discovery of 3I/ATLAS, we are seeing a pattern emerge. These are not isolated events. Interstellar visitors may be far more common than we once believed. And if that's the case, what else is out there, silently crossing the cosmos, passing by, watching? The big question remains, why are we suddenly seeing so many of these interstellar objects in such a short time? For centuries, humanity stared at the skies without detecting a single visitor from another star. Now, in just under a decade, we've confirmed 3. Some scientists argue that it's our technology that's finally caught up. Telescopes and sky surveys are more sensitive than ever. Others whisper more daring theories that these objects might be probes sent by civilizations far older than ours, checking in on planets like Earth. Their odd shapes, strange speeds, and unexplained movements only add fuel to this idea. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is clear: we are not as isolated as we once thought. As 3I/ATLAS continues its silent journey through the void, it reminds us that the universe is not empty, it's alive, watching, and maybe, just maybe, it's reaching out,